Uy, thank you for the rose, Luis. Sabi ko ikaw hatag gift na ako. Huwag na kay kwarta. Kuya, pa-Vice Flex po. Thank you. Guys, wala sa tether strap ko na. Tabi-tabi isa pa. Chill ba? Chill. Bawa ka, chill. Chill lang muna tayo ngayon, okay? When I'm walking the street, every stranger I meet, I see your face. And I tried to move on, but I'm tangled in memories of you. I wanna go out tonight, get out of my head tonight, but I know you want to. Cause I ain't nobody fine enough. No, there ain't no drink that's strong enough. No, there ain't no high that's high. Hello, I love chicken. So make me forget about you. Wala pa, magbibigay ka. I love chicken. Ilalapag ko yung cash G ko kung sino gusto magbibigay ng wing. Good night, kuya. Good night, green either. Sure na yan, sure. Lalapag ko na. Lalapag ko na. Lalapag ko na ba? Dapat dati ka pa lumapit. Lalapag ko na ba, guys? Anong song? Yan ang gusto ko. Request song. Lalapag ko na daw. Tani, di ka na madulo. Anong title siya, P? Lalapag ko na daw, guys, kasi magbibigay si I Love Chimkin. Ano ba? Lalapag ko na daw, guys. Wait lang, guys, ha? Magbibigay ng sponsor, guys. Ayan na, I Love Chimkin. Pin ko na ba? Pin na ba? Pin. Ayan na. Anong song? Sapi. Ano daw? Mga na title. Tani, di ka na madula. Di ka na madula. Ito na. Ikot. Bakulod music man eh. Sure, siya pa. Sa mga taga-Bacolod dyan, ito na. Yawa mo na Shopee. Guys, sa mga taga-Bacolod dyan, ito na yung song. Bacolod ka man hindi. Grabe man ini. Shop, ano man ni shop? Nakasilaw yung red light. Ilonggo Reels. Diyos, pangit ko ng buhok ko, guys. Shout out mga taga-Bacolod.
guys, anong next song guys? Yati mo yung shop eh. 4 minutes pag yun. No, 4 minutes mo to shop. Man na, okay, man na imong request. Nagdugi ra kayo kay 4 minutes. Balik tas chill. Cutie mo, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, do we have chance, sir? Chance na ano? Taken ka na pala, yes. Taken for granted. Biceps to. Hello, Rio. Paano yung pa-cute? Wait, thank you sa Royce. Royce? Thank you sa Rose. Poison Easy. Malimot ko Bisaya, malig gani. Dati asa kong buhok eh. Sabi magkukuha. Yes, pangit na kayo kong buhok. So ako siyang paluan. Cream. Dati, Digimon. Cream hindi. Criminal, oo. Hi, be. Hello, Yik. Guys, hindi na po na magmakasahin ng aking likod. Kasi masakit na ako. Kani seryoso na. Sakote by Awi. Sure ka ba dyan? Sakote daw guys. Sakote daw. Sakote. Gina ba? Kira na. Feel ko binuo mong gyapon ni shop. Sakote daw guys.
Sapat ba toothpaste mo?
Okay ra daw ni TikTok.
Sapat ba talaga toothpaste mo?
Di na binuo ako.
Toothpaste sa ilong. Gumamit ng Sensodyne, ang dentist recommended toothpaste para sa ilong.
Thank you po sa ano.
Your hope, gone with the breeze.
Thank you sa roses. Mabawang tang. Dili lagi. Bisan pa ipaduol ko na sa camera. Garaa ay. Good sad guys, pang chill-chill sa mga music. Tambay lang model sa akong TikTok. Guys, tambay lang kayo sa aking TikTok, okay? Mag-chill lang tayo. Flex arms. Ay, mo arms. Shit. Kasing laki ng ulo. Okay po, tambay kami. Sige. Lahir po namers. One, chill na taverners, chill. Matanda kasi. Sige, tambay lang kayo dito. Laban diha nurse, laban makdo post. Yeah, me. Kinsa day imong kaaway? Wala man. Request ko nurse basic yun sa may suong nurse. Tambay lang kayo dito nurse, mga nurse. Yamigan. Tambay lang kayo dito. Anong song? Check that out. Parang may buto. Tambay lang kayo dito nurse. Okay ra nimo nurse? Yes, okay ra. Ati manong tika nurse, aray ko. Yes, okay ra, request kanta. Hindi yan. What's your drug name? Wala akong drug name. Ano ba yung drug name? Tapang dad. Yes. Si Autohan. Uy, thank you sa roses, Ali, Tarot, Magi.
Mga kumpas na nilahagan o katumpas. Lahat naman ay huras, walang lunas. Kung di ka marunong maghugas, ayaw nila sa naiiba.
Last flex crush na propose, hindi to ako pwede magtambay na matagal, may pasok pamigas. Okay, ma-propose daw. Tricks daw, circle. Hindi ko ka tricks, kinay hangin. Try na to. Mapalit sa hangin. Sana all at imanon, ganahan ko ano man. Yung sa lagi mong, sige, sa may request na song nila. Guys, mag-change music na ta kaya wala naman si Madam Ice Caramel. Bye sa puwan. Good night po. May 51 na tayo. Taga-UP ka. Pero nag-school, di ko taga Cebu, pero nag-school ko sa Cebu. So, bro, taga Cebu, nagyapon di ako mga parcel at man pa doon. Mga ko address sa Shopee. Sa Orange app dahil, Orange app. Orange app. See you sa Cebu. See you. See you guys. Sa ganan mga pedra sa Cebu, libre lang ko ng kape. Ay lang, inom. Kape lang ta. Bawal ko ng inom. At atimanan lang ikaw may una, inom. At atimanan ko nimo. Aray mo. My God, dad, na sis lami ka ayo. Dili mo ko lami eh. Pretitit na hapit kapoy. Pretitit. Musimbar siguro ko guys. Pwede ko magban. Aray mo, pakak. Ay, musimbar ako guys. Puoking tao ko. Ni gabi eh. Yadahan kayo mga waka gamit. Study out posting. Oh, basta libre ni mo. Sige nurse, i-PM ra po at imanunod ko. Dito ha. Show them guns then, the girls. Mahadlok, makawatan ninyo. Dakot tayo. Di sa ko mga awat eh. Night till morning kayo mag-study out. Depende sa akong oras. Time is valuable guys. Okay? Time is valuable. Seryoso bi atang duhaners, di ba? Sa imo ko librihaners, goods ra ko ano. Librihan kini mong kuan, iPhone 17 Pro Max. House and lot. Siyempre. Grabe, siyempre. Lubos-lubosin na natin. Kung nang hingi tayo, lubos-lubosin na, okay? House and lot. Uy, grabe guys, 92 na ta guys. Hello, 92 viewers. My name is Hans. But they call me Revamp because I got Revamp. Grabe pud ka, Doctor ay. Hello, 112 viewers. My name is Revamp. They call me Revamp because I got Revamp. But my real name is Hanseros. Hello, 131 viewers. My name is Revamp. They call me Revamp because I got revamped. Doctor ka, ako yung nurse. From nurse to doctor to patient, paingon, gani. Hello, shout out 145 viewers. My name is Revamp. They call me Revamp because I got revamped. Grabe, padami ng padami. Kaya nga, wala naman akong ginagawa. Kapagalaw na ako ng text dito. PM ra ko nurse. Basta iPhone 17. iPhone 17. Hello, 153 viewers. My name is Revamp. They call me Revamp because I got Revamp. Di ka familiar? Hindi naman. Aray mo, pakak! Okay guys, mababa na guys. Parang mali yung strategy ko guys. Bahala na. Kung sino manood kayo. Kung sino hindi gusto manood, huwag kayong manood. Guys, request kayo ng song. Sa 130 viewers, walang magpo-comment. Yan, tapang dadin, malang kaya. Guys, sa dami ng viewers, walang magre-request ng song. Daghan na ka-viewers last time itong kaya nga. Pero ngayon guys, wala mo na ang thirst trap. Okay? Chill muna tayo, chill. Lie to me daw. Lie to me. Lie to me. Guys, maganda ba itong lie to me? Request ko nurse. Nawa lagi mong request. Wala ko kung banday sa mong request lagi. Kasi guys, napay ads. Grabe ka sa YouTube. Ano? Paano ba? Tumaba fast. Kain ka na madami. Easy. Dad, yung camera. Kaya nga, nasa slide. Ba't ka nasa slide camera? Lagyan natin ng tissue. Okay, sige na. Ano ba? Sige na. Anong sige na? Nag-creatine ka? Yes, before. Why? Why ang title? Why daw? Why ipa-join ko nimo sa live? No, di ko ipa-join ka. Guys, nawa natin viewers. Namin siguro may pinagdaanan. May pinagdadaanan kung ano. Nag-request nito. Pare, pag-usapan natin yung pare. Kung may pinagdadaanan ka man, pag-usapan natin yan. Huwag mo ano yan. Huwag mo itago-tago yan, ha? Tahanan daw. Sige, bibigyan mo ako ng tahanan. Nasa lang. After nito. Fern yung singer. Guys, chat, bakit ito yung ni-request na kanta? Gusto niyo ba mag-emote? Gaya sa... Ayan, atos na muna ng kanta. Tapusin muna natin yung song. Drop IG dad. Nasa nasa ano ko. Bio ko sa TikTok. Drop IG, isasagot Instagram. Lie to Me by Fern. Wait lang. May request pa na tahanan. Tapusin muna natin yung tahanan. Sige, go. Laban Debs. Sige, Debs. Lalabanin ko to. Di ba gilabas man ang tahanan? Guys, nilabas tong tahanan na song. COVID times, no? COVID, ano ba? COVID, ano? Era ba tong tahanan? Or before COVID pa? Tagal na rito, hindi ano may Hello, Unicorn / Watermelon. Andiyan na sa Thirsty Pazzy, guys. Chill muna tayo ngayon, Thirsty Pazzy, ha. Chill muna tayo ngayon. Parang okay kayo. Tambay muna, tambay. Tambay! Medyo nagkasakit si kuya, kaya hindi pwede mag-thirst trap. Focus givers. Is mabati ato tingog paksiga. Matulog na po. Later. Grabe guys, it's early in the morning. Good morning. Ganun ba? Hopping tuloy ang tagay. Hoping pala. Hoping tuloy ang recovery. Thank you, Unicorn / Watermelon. Thank you. Lie to Me by Fern na. Lie to Me by Fern. Sige. Magaling na. Nakapag-live na. Chill lang tayo, guys. Chill. Yes, pwede mag-request ng song. Bakit hindi? Si Thirsty Pazzy guys, madaming cool na song. Mga gagandang song. Ito na, Lie to Me na. Don't lie to me, ha? Want me to sure after. Sure, Thirsty Pazzy. Ganda ng mga playlist mo eh. Pwede bang pa-share ng Spotify playlist mo, Thirsty Pazzy? Gatekeep pala. Huwag mo i-gatekeep. Matulog mo ko nurse. Ay, si katulog lagi. Way uso ang tulog. Conrad. Guys, di ko ganahan. Ilisan na to. Loving that chill. Thank you. Chill ba chill? Laban na diha guys. Nag-live daw kaya gusto ko mag-chill-chill. Gusto ko na ka-istorya. Sige mo ka-istorya. Chill pero red lights. Say it. Say it. Yan ang request ng ating director. Say it ba? Say it. Sorry. Sorry ba yun? Sorry. Let's go. Let's. Ito ang chill. Alam ko to eh. Bakit ka nag-like ka niyan kung to di na it? May light to before Di mo ba? Di mo na-notice yung light before? Siguro in-adjust ko lang. Inanon ko ba yung graphic? In-adjust ko lang siguro. Pero may light to before. Adjust kasi to guys. Alam niyo ba kung anong ginawa ko guys? Wala akong LED lights eh. Ang ginawa ko, binalutan ko ng red na plastic yung lampshade. So, kaya, pag ginanto ko, binaba ko yung red. O, red siya. Pag ginanyan ko, medyo red na hindi. Wala akong TG mamayan. At tikaramang niya ako, honors ay haling-haling ulit. Bani. Tama na lang. Huwag kang ma-distract, thirsty. Bigla ako naupuan po ako. Paano yan? Ganda ng playlist ni Thirsty. Grabe. Thirsty, share mo na. Thirsty, sabihin mo na yung playlist mo. I-share mo na. Okay lang, thirst trap kaunti. Basta wala lang ano. Kasi nakakapagod balik sa sala. Nandun yung mga gamit. Ang gamit ko lang dito is ito lang. Wala ka ng orange. Thirst puzzle. Naubos na. Hindi naubos sa kain. Naubos na sa ano. Naubos na sa malumaan. Yun pa na. Hindi ka ba nakapag screen record nun? Hindi ka ba nakapag screen record ng Thirsty? Guys, magre-rewatch ako ng Euphoria. Alam niyo ba yung Euphoria na series? Re-rewatch ako nun. Guys, may microphone ako dito. Gusto niyo ba akong kumanta guys? May mic ako dito guys. Guys, lumiit yung katawan ko guys. Lumiit. Nagmamakaawa ako. Wala na talagang orange man. Napanis ba? Napanis. Sino doon? Yung na-rot na. Na-rot na na yung orange. Not you. Not you. Tayo ulit dyan. Wala nang fruits dito, man.
Para sa pamilya, lahat ibibigay ko. Pero sa stress at unhealthy lifestyle, hindi mo ramdam mga may high cholesterol ka na. Drink Del Monte Heart Smart with Red Bull. It helps lower
Ano
cholesterol
pwede
in the
palit?
stories.
Wala nang prutas dito, thirsty. Tsaka yung salad frozen. Mo-defrost pa tayo. Hindi ka lugi kasi nakapag-screen record ka nun. Sobrang pinagpala na ano. OMG, wait, ang galing ng video. Ang galing ng video. Guys, magpapa-winners na ako. Joke lang. Wala akong pera. POV thirst button. Wala akong gamit dito. Ano? Thirsty Milky. Ay, thirsty Pulse. Ano lang, ito lang. Kasi masakit yung katawan ko, guys. Kaka-gym. Kaka-gym, guys. Masakit yung katawan ng tito nyo. Hindi ba may gamit? Yes, pag nagde-direct si Madam Thirsty, may gamit talaga yan. Hindi pwede wala. Hello, Molly. Welcome to my life. They call me Revamp because I got Revamp. From being skinny fat, at least now, may confidence na maghubad. Guys, gusto nyo na bang i-share ko ang picture ko dati? Dati nung mataba ako. Huwag na lang. Dami ng ganun-ganun eh. Gusto mo yung song na energetic? Tuktukan. Hello, aeroplane. Tuktukan? Ano tuktukan? Energetic daw, sabi ni Thirsty Pazzi. Yes, syempre. Energetic. Go. Request ka lang dyan ng music kasi madami kang maganda na music. PTPOM 2.0. PTP OM to ano ba yung, bakit tawa kayo ng tawa guys? Ano ba yung PTPO? PTPOM. Wala guys, ayaw mag-load. Ano ba ito? Buti na lang, nawala yung internet. Ito, Manibad, Big Cookie. Ayun, para siyang ano, dirty na song. Sige! Sige! Sige na nga. Ito na. Ito na guys, ito na. Gotta sleep na dad. Wala talagang thirst trap. Wala. Chill lang tayo ngayon, chill.
Napagod sa school?
Ay, chill pala. Sige, ibahin ko next song. Sige, sige. Uy, shout out sa nag-work dyan. Okay, isang good guns bago matulong. Good guns. Ito ba? Bang, 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 bang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, 35 viewers. My name is Ernestan Cyrus M. Sancho.
Put that pussy on you. Hey, you better.
Ano age mo? 22. 22. 22 years old. I'm 22 years old, alright? POV na kasi. Wala nga ang gamit. Tinatamad akong kumuha sa baba.
Put that pussy on you. Hey, you better put that pussy on me. Hey, you better put that pussy on me. I ain't gonna say a word. I know you fuck with my little homie, bitch. Put that pussy on me like a hoodie in the wintertime. Socks on, sweating like I'm sprinting to the finish line. This the nasty time I made you know you'll go to give me mine. But mama, sister,
Wala, chill lang tayo ngayon.
gotta get in line. See, WWE, DDD, DDT. Had to go cut on the AC. Gave us some water and plan B. Take out the head off top, little bitch. You gon' get sprung for I just swear you woke up, ate me with her wig. Got bitch look like how you bought head. Topic of they group chat, her little friends wanna know it all. Okay, fuck that, shirt me with a mom. You suck it, she lick the ball. Her phone ringing back to back. That nigga think she at the mall. Stay focused and know his calls. Who I'm a little dirty dog. Mr. Lowdown. Fuck me like you want me. Pull them thumbs down, scream, no baloney. Hey, let me beat it till the morning. Sneaky link, you know I'm thugging in the morning, bitch. Hey, bring that in to me.
Ano, may sayo ba nito?
Your nigga purpose. 69, let me eat it while you looking. Chocolate bitch, pussy bacon like some cookies. Bend it over, stop that bitch and stop that woman. Stop that woman. Booty me, we can't call the baby, we fucking. If I'm making love to you,
Ang
bitch, you
chill ko
lucky.
ayun,
We
chill.
fucking raw, then you my bitches, no discussion, you my bitch. Hey, show me why I'm driving. So you done, drop the window, holy vibe, holy shit. Hey, cut the light up while you vibing. Beat that pussy, call it hard to meet the vibe. Hey, grab me while you smiling. What you smiling? You can't say you fuck with me, you prime. Take my soul, I'm speaking out, I know you childish. Pussy wild, boogie bone, hold out. Hey, put that pussy on me. Hey, you better put that pussy on me. Hey, you better put that pussy on me. I ain't gonna say a word, I know you fuck with my little homie. How you city girls, bitch, you from the country. Then you got a only fan, but no money. How the fuck you city girl, you from the country? And you got a only fan, but no money. Hey, listen, bring your ass on. Drop a pin, bring your ass on. Hold on, I say bring your ass on. Then I drop the pin, you better bring your ass over, better bitch. Put them thumbs down, scream, no baloney. Put them thumbs down, scream, no baloney.
Hindi kami nakapag-prepare.
Time I made you, now you'll go to give me
Walang pa-oil ngayon. Wala. Ito lang meron ako. Essential oil. Kasi masakit yung likod ko guys, pero hindi ko abot. Sakit yung likod natin, pero hindi abot. Alright? Hindi natin abot yung likod natin. Ano bang mixo guys? Mixo. Sige, pili lang tayo dito. Batman. Dami, alam niyo, thirsty project.
Listen to this track, bitch. JB Flatboy.
Paturo po sumayaw. Hindi ako marunong sumayaw. Shout out to Raymond. Shout out to Raymond. Napakapula naman naman yun. Anong height mo? 5'8". Uy, pimple na naman. Bag. Ano blood type mo? Oh, ata. I don't remember. Hindi ko naalala. Ano yan? Bag. Bag.
Listen, man, I heard you done got you a dime.
Please, man.
One of the Beyonce making clean types, man. Nah. Is that true, man? I just want to know.
Wala akong TG, guys.
Shit, to be honest with you, man. She's a
Bag. Shit. Oh my god. Bag. Ako tayo ko is ikaw. Ito na. Nag-load pa.
Paulit-ulit, nagiging habit. Enervon C+, have it your way.
Beg for it. Ay, with the bed man eh.
I woke up before the light, thinking about tonight. I can't sleep. Just a few hours ago, we had the TV on, drowning out your dreams. Tell me your favorite love song, girl. I'm gonna play it while you're toes down. Got what you're saying, speak your mind. Tell me what you like. I'll make you pay for it, pay for it. I'll give you what you need, only if you
Guys, wala ka na. Hindi kayo nag-tap? Hindi ba kayo nag-tap ng screen?
whisper your wishes to me. Not gonna lie to you, wasn't expecting you to have me on my knees. Yeah, I'm gonna make you cry, tears from your paradise, and love your eyes to sleep. Yeah, you got my favorite secret song, and I know you
Laban niya din.
take them off. Got what you say.
Bakit? Bakit ako tulog guys?
Tell me what you
Ay, dili. Sa cats.
Baby, I'ma make you scream, yeah. I'm not finished yet. 20 more seconds. Oh, you ain't gotta beg no more. I'ma give it up. I'ma give you all my love. And baby,
Sloppy Joe. Double bicep.
I'm gonna give
Okay,
you
Thirsty.
what you ask
Oh, tagasan ka ba? Cebu. Ay, nag-aaral sa Cebu. Nag-aaral sa Cebu. Tapos, taga-Leyte.
Is your body telling me how? I'ma make you pay for it, pay for it. I'll give you what you need, only if you say please. I'ma make you pay for it, pay for it. And whisper your wishes to me.
Drop it like. Oops. Ganda ng mga song mo. May mga pa-regards yung mga sino.
Anong wish niyo? Spaghetti! Disneyland! Wish
Si
granted!
Jenny Who.
Join the trip to Disneyland promo. 100 family.
Jenny Who. Jenny ng Davao. Di ko kilala yun.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. The pigs trying to get at you. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot.
Ah, nakakapagod. Thirsty
Get
pagi.
an attitude, pop it like
Bukas
it's
na.
hot.
Bukas na please. Uy, thank you sa gift. Bukas na. Please, bukas na. Huwag mo na ngayon, okay? Wala ako sa mood bumaba.
That's how you get it. Killer come to me. I know killers in the street. But I think you Take a second. Matter of fact, you should take 4B and think before you make a little skateboard gig. When the pimp's in the crib, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. The pigs try to get at you. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Get an attitude. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean Don and I'm well best cause I got it going on. I'm a gangster, but y'all knew that. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a flag hanging out my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the group side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. I cut so much you thought I was a DJ. 2, big, 1, 3. SC, double OP, Eagle, double G. I can't make it, just break it. And when I take it, see, I specialize in making all the girls get naked. So bring your friends over, y'all come inside. We got a world premiere right here, now get nice. So don't change the diesel, turn it up a little. I got a living room full of fine dime bristles. Waiting on the bizzle, and the shizzle. G's to the pizza, now ladies, who can kiss her. When the pimp's in the crib, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. The pigs try to get at you. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Get an attitude. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean Don and I'm well best cause I got it going on. I'm a bad boy. No matter.
Naku, DJ na ka dito.
I hang out tough. I'm a real boss. Big Snoop Dogg. Yeah, he's so sharp. On the TV screen and in the magazines. If you bring me close, you know. Oh, you gotta get it, so you wanna act. And now, stop that.
It's like you got superpowers. Turn my minutes into hours. You got my 2020, babe. Made a glass eye, you see through me. You know me better than I do.
Tanon. Ito na siya.
How you touch myself from the outside. Buy me and my ego and my pride. I wanna love me. The way that you love me. Oh, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point.
Mag-end ako guys eh.
Trust me, trust me.
Mag-end ako. Bye guys.